Hi, my name is Arnav I am from Bangalore and just finished my 12th standard in Bangalore, and I had just opted for the Slurp Culinary program, the 6-week course on global cuisines. I think overall it was a very good experience. The chefs were top notch. I mean, they were very knowledgeable. They do pretty much everything from what we wanted to know. I think we delved into a lot of cuisines and a lot of dishes. We did about European. In European, we did French, Spanish, Italian. We did our own Indian course. We did Asian. We did a lot of cuisines, and we can say that somehow we have a knowledge into that cuisine. We understand that cuisine a little bit, which is what we want to expect from this kind of course, and it's what we got. And I think that overall it was a very good experience, and I think everything was my favorite because, as you know, I'm a foodie. So I think that when you're doing a course, you need to learn properly, and once you do, everything just becomes fun. Everything becomes your favorite.